this is Sonia. We are manufacturer of packing machinery. Yes. Now I'm in our workshop. Today I will show you our packing machine. Let's turn on it. Welcome to visit our workshop one day. I looking forward to meet you in our workshop. Okay, today I will show you. We have many kinds of packing machines. Yes, we are sauce manufacturer, and today I will show you the one machine to packaging. Let's go. Use this machine, you can shrink packaging any products what you want. If you need it, contact me.